All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Litecoin. Litecoin's up over 30% in the last 7 days. I mean, it's popping real nice right now. All my Litecoin fans and the white Litecoin army, you're going to be happy because it's up by 30%. Talking about that today. We're also going to be talking about Robinhood, the Shiba Inu. There's 1.6 million people on a petition trying to get it listed on Robinhood. And last but not least, we're going to talk about AMC accepting a little cryptocurrency at the movie theaters. So with all that, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Being Monday today, we know yesterday, Sunday, Tom Brady was pumping everybody about what he's getting into cryptocurrency. Monday Night Football later on tonight, he's going to be talking about cryptocurrency today. Everybody's talking about cryptocurrency. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. We want everybody on the planet to know how to use cryptocurrency, buy cryptocurrency, and understand cryptocurrency. With that, Litecoin up over 30%. Let's head over to Litecoin. Over here at Coin Market, Litecoin is ranked number 14th best cryptocurrency on the planet. Take a look here. Here it is, number 14. Coin is being traded at $275 right now. It is up 33% in the last 7 days. Holy. And in the last 24 hours, it's up over 7%. Again, Litecoin right here, up to $275 a coin. Taking a look here, Coin Market, again up over 6.65% up here on the right-hand side. Their circulation is at 82%, so 82% of the Litecoin that's already been mined and has already been bought is in the market. There's 18% left still to be mined or get in the market, so 82% of the circulation is in circulation. I'm taking a look at the last 7 days. I mean, the coin was at $206, and then it just kind of decided to go up to $230 and $240 and $250, and now it's at $275 and it's stabilizing. But this coin just a week ago was at $207. I mean, it's up like $65 out of the $275. Pretty good stuff, everybody. Clicking holders, clicking 3 months. Just want to go back to 3 months ago. There was less than 4 million holders of the Litecoin, 3.9, almost 4 million. And if you go today, 90 days later, there's actually 4.2 million. So about 300,000 new people got the purchased the Litecoin or holders of the Litecoin, but it increased about 10% in the last 90 days. Pretty neat there. You know, on the website here, it says, what is Litecoin? Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that was designed to provide fast and secure, low-cost payments by leveraging the unique properties of the blockchain technology. The cryptocurrency was created based on Bitcoin protocol, but a difference in the terms of the hashing algorithm used hard cap, block transaction times, and few other factors. Litecoin has a block time for just 2.5 minutes and extremely low transaction fees, making it suitable for microtransactions and point-of-sale payments. Litecoin was released in October of 2011. So again, we were talking a week or two ago that Litecoin has been around for over a decade. So Litecoin has been around for over a decade. So a lot of times people are looking about coins to get into. You can't go wrong with a coin that's been around for a decade. So Litecoin is up over 33% right now, trading at $275. My prediction, I think it's going to go over 300. All our information is for educational purposes only. But again, Litecoin, if you're a new investor or you've been around for a while, a coin that's been around for over 10 years, a decade, you're going to feel pretty good about Litecoin. We're not going to have to worry that in the next 3 months that Litecoin was a scam or didn't happen, or what happened to the Litecoin. It's just not going to happen with Litecoin. It says right here that cryptocurrency was created by Charlie Lee, a former Google employee who intended Litecoin to be a light version of Bitcoin, and that the features of many same properties of Bitcoin, but just a little lighter. Let's jump over to the website. Over here, Litecoin's website, the cryptocurrency for payments based on blockchain technology, Litecoin. You know, again, what is Litecoin? Litecoin is a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant, near zero-cost payments to anyone in the world. Litecoin is open source global payment network that is fully decentralized without any central authorities. Mathematics secures to ensure that they empower individuals to control their own finances. Litecoin features faster transaction confirmation times. The trade volume and liquidity of Litecoin is proven medium of the commerce commentary to Bitcoin. A couple things here. It's got the community, you got your resources, you got your open source software, you got the blockchain. What does it say about the blockchain? Right here, the Litecoin blockchain is capable of handling higher transaction volumes than its counterpart, Bitcoin. Due to the more frequent block generation, the network supports more transactions without the need to modify the software in the future. As a result, merchants get faster confirmation times, while still having the ability to wait for more confirmations when selling bigger ticket items. We know about the confirmation times. If it takes 10 minutes or if it takes 3 hours to confirm it, that's not a favorable thing for the merchants, the brick and mortars. It's not favorable for the clients either. So if Litecoin is a lot quicker and the transaction speeds, that's a win-win when it comes to the brick and mortars and the merchants. Here's the thing about for the miners out there that like to mine. Miners are currently awarded 12.5 new Litecoins per block. So you figure if it's 275, so 10 would be 27, so about 3,000 a block, and an amount which gets halved roughly every 4 years. The Litecoin network is therefore scheduled to produce 84 million Litecoins, which is 4 times as many current units of Bitcoin. So you can still get into mining Litecoin. I know there's miners that are Litecoin miners and Dogecoin miners, and you can mine the Dogecoin and Litecoin together. So pretty cool on that. Up at the top of the website, click the foundation. When you go here, you got all kinds of different things you can buy. They're celebrating their 10-year anniversary for Litecoin. So a lot of the stuff right here, there's a 10-year shirt. Litecoin's been around for 10 years. A coffee cup, been around for 10 years. The hats, 10 years. So again, there's a lot of celebration going on right now with Litecoin that has been around for over 10 years. But you can go ahead and get different things, bags. You click the bag, you can get an L for the Litecoin, kind of stylish. I love Litecoin, all kinds of neat things. $47 for the backpack. That's, again, the Litecoin Foundation. Jumping over to Robinhood real quick, talking about where Litecoin is. So where is Litecoin? Litecoin right now is traded at $274. Let's take a look at 1 week ago. Holy cow, there's that 209. And look at this thing just went up the mountain like it was going up, and it's going. We're at $275 for this coin right now. Again, it's being up over 30%. Where was it a month ago? A month ago, this coin was $186. Where is it today? It's almost $100 difference. Again, we like the features here on the Robinhood, how simple it could be. Again, where was it 3 months ago? 3 months ago, there was a time Litecoin was $140. Right now, it's $274. Holy cow, everybody. Litecoin is going up. With that, this is a good part to talk about Robinhood, and Shiba Inu is still trying to get on the Robinhood. What's going on? We were just looking at Litecoin on Robinhood. I mean, they have been around for 10 years. Let's check this out. Right here, Robinhood praises Shiba Inu as the crypto wallet waitlist grows to 1.6 million. Pressure is mounting for Robinhood to list one of the most popular meme coins on the market. For the waitlist on the platform, crypto wallet has grown to 1.6 million users. 1.6 million people want the Shiba on the Robinhood. Come on, Robinhood, what are you waiting on? It says one of my favorite things is seeing the community around these coins rally and engage with us and let us know what they want. So, it's nice that everybody's excited about that. It's talking about they don't know if they're going to list it, but Shiba is the 11th largest cryptocurrency in the world based on market cap. So, the wait list has grown to 1.6 million users. I mean, come on, Robinhood. Let's let the Shiba Inu get listed. And over here, I thought this was some pretty big news for everybody. AMC is officially accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and online payments with Dogecoin coming. AMC at the movie theaters now is allowing cryptocurrency. AMC is officially accepting online payments. We are proudly now accepting, drum roll please, the drum roll says Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Yeah, we're talking about Litecoin. And AMC, you can pay with your Litecoin to get your movie tickets. Pretty neat, huh? Dogecoin is coming next. It says AMC Entertainment, the movie theater chain beloved by many crypto enthusiasts. It's accepting digital currency online. as of last Thursday. So guess what? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin and Dogecoin is coming on Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal are now also accepted, and he's adding the Dogecoin next. It also says, here's a funny thing, and early in November during the AMC earning call, AMC said it's looking to add Shiba Inu to the list of the demand from the Shiba army. So again, Shiba wants to be listed. Shiba wants to be listed on Robinhood, and AMC is even saying they're going to bring the Shiba on. So I don't know. What do you think about the Litecoin being up 33%, 32% in the last 7 days? Coin's been around for over a decade. You can go and buy merchandise, wear t-shirts, backpacks, all kinds of things. Know that everybody that, hey, Litecoin's been here for 10 years. Pretty awesome. You know, Shiba Inu, 1.6 million people on the wait list trying to get Shiba on Robinhood. We got that going on. And then we got AMC officially accepting cryptocurrency. And that's awesome. They're accepting Litecoin. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Today on Monday, we bring you a video Monday through Friday at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, it's usually around 3 or 4 o'clock. Once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video around 6 or 7. Click right here to see our most recent video. Litecoin's one of my favorite coins. Thanks for tuning in and have a fantastic Monday today, everybody.